I'm sure you've asked for referrals, maybe from clients, associates, even friends. They say yes, of course, but nothing happens. You may ask again, but still nothing. Disappointed, you eventually give up, maybe even resent them. After all, you did such a good job, why won't they refer you? My name is Rashid Kotwal. Let's cover a couple of common issues you'll face when asking for referrals. First, put yourself in my shoes as the referrer. I'm not sitting around thinking, who could I refer you to? We all have our own lives to lead, and chances are you're not on the top of my agenda. Second, if I do refer you, how do I know you'll do a good job? When giving a referral, I'm intrinsically transferring a measure of trust and credibility. And if something goes wrong, my reputation could be adversely affected. And when asking for a referral, you're actually asking me, your referrer, to sell you into having a meeting with a prospect. Now, there are a couple of problems with this approach. First, it's unreasonable to expect me to do this. I'm not your personal sales force and you're putting pressure on me, so I may well feel uncomfortable. And second, can I really explain what value you provide in a way that gets the prospect to be excited to see you? Probably not. So how do you overcome this? There is a way your referrers could feel they're adding value into their network and being really helpful by referring you on without putting any pressure on you. And at the same time, having prospects realize you're a valuable resource that could solve issues they're facing. The mechanism we use is a referral kit. At its core, a referral kit is packaged up material that educates your prospects on the challenges, consequences, and opportunities that they may face and is aimed at motivating them to take the next step, which could be anything from checking you out further to giving you a call. A referrer armed with your referral kit doesn't have to sell a prospect on having a meeting with you. They simply hand the referral kit to a prospect saying, here's something I believe you'll find useful. The kit's educational content is designed to position you as a thought leader and help your prospects better understand the issues they may be facing and show them ways to solve them. The material's goal is to simply warm your prospects up and help them realize that you're a valuable resource. When done right, the material should evoke enough curiosity that your prospects want to reach out to you and progress the conversation. And remember, a prospect who researches and calls you is twice as likely to buy than someone you directly reach out to, especially if it's cold. Now, referral kits don't have to be complex. Start where you're at and build it up. Have you got any articles which cover specific issues they're facing? Around 800 to 1,000 words will do. And as you create more material, you can add free reports, white papers, videos, case studies, questionnaires that highlight issues that they may be facing. Over the years, we've created lots of referral packs for ourselves and our clients. Ours today includes a Gold Bar USB, which contains a 50-page document on how to attract high-value clients, 4 books on business strategy, mindset, marketing, and selling, as well as a 1-hour marketing course on video. And we didn't start like that, of course. We built it up over time. Now, you can access all of this material on our website at revealedresources.com. And of course, if you'd like help creating a referral system which will predictably generate more leads, contact us at revealedresources.com. Until next time, this is Rashid Kotwal.